Hi, this is Teacher Chat, and today we are going to solve algebraic equations. Before we proceed with that, let us have first a review. Yesterday, we talked about how to solve an algebraic or how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Now, let us try to answer this one. If x is equals to 9, what is x plus 12? Very good. The answer is 21. Next one, number 2. What is 5x? Good job. The answer is 45. Let us have 3x minus x. Alright, the answer is 18. Now, let us proceed with today's topic. First, we have to remember the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation. So, an expression is a number. It can be a variable or a combination of numbers and variables and operation symbols. While an equation is made up of two expressions connected by an equal sign. So there is an equal sign. Let us use the first example that we have in our review a while ago. We have x plus 2 is equals to 21. This is the question that we had. So we have x plus 12 is equals to 21. How are we going to solve this algebraic equation? So first, to get the value of x, let's say we do not know yet that x is equals to 9, because that's what is our example a while ago. We know that x is equals to 9 here. But what if we do not know yet the value or the constant number for the variable x? So to solve for that, we are going to transfer or transpose this constant 12 to the other side. If this is plus 12 or positive 12, when it will be transposed to the other side, it will be on its reverse form. So what is the reverse form of plus 12 or positive 12? Correct. That will be minus 12 or negative 12. So now we have x is equals to 21 minus 12. By here, we can now solve. So let us solve for 21 minus 12. Then we get 9. So x is equals to 9. Let's have more examples. I have here y plus 17 equals 22. Now we are going to transfer or transpose positive 17 or plus 17 to the other side. So that will become y is equals to 22 minus 17. And then we can solve. 22 minus 17 is equals to 5. Now we have y is equals to 5. Now how are we going to know if our answer is correct? Let us check. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to change the variable y to the answer that we got. So we have here y. Let's change it to 5 plus 12 equals 22. Let us solve for 5 plus 12, that is 22. So if you get the same number If you get an equal number, that means that your answer is correct. Let us have another example. I have here 11 plus y equals 17. So how are we going to solve for the value of y? Again, we are going to transfer or transpose 11 to the other side. Now we know that 11 is a positive number when it's transposed to beside number 17. Positive 11 will become negative. So that will be y is equals to 17 minus 11. Now let us solve. 17 minus 11 is equals to 6. So that means that y is equals to 6. Let us check. So we are just going to change y to the constant number that we got a while ago. So that will be 11 plus 6 equals 17. Now let's solve for 11 plus 6. That is 17. Because you got the same equal number, that means that your answer is correct. Y is equals to 6. Let's have more examples. I have here y plus 15 minus 5 is equals to 23. So when we see this one, there are two constant number before the equal sign. So that will be 15 and 5. What we are going to do here is to solve first for the constant. So let us solve. 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. Correct. Now we have y plus 10 equals 23. Here, we can now transpose the positive 10. So positive 10 will become negative 10. Now we got y equals 23 minus 10. And let's solve for 23 minus 10. We got 13. So y is equals to 13. Now let us check. 13 plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 23. So let's solve first for 13 plus 5. And then subtract 5. Now we have 23. Now I have here 17 minus 1 plus y equals 11. Now let us solve for y. First, perform the operation needed on the constant that we have here. So that will be 17 minus 1, 16. Now we have 16 plus y equals 11. So we are going to transfer or transpose 16 to the other side. So we have negative 16. That will become y equals 11 minus 16. From here, we can now solve. 11 minus 16, the answer is negative 5. So how are we going to check that? Let us substitute 17 minus 1 plus the negative 5 that we have here. It's equals to 11. Now let us solve. 17 minus 1 is equals to 16 plus negative 5, we have 11. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Just PM me in our Messenger classroom or in my personal Facebook account. Now let us answer this it work that I prepared. Thanks.